Hi, I'm Ryan McGranigan. I'm a co-chair of this third instance of the Jack Eddy Symposium series, and thrilled about how this has been a culmination from the previous two. So Jack Eddy has been long an inspiration for interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary research, and the symposia have been the embodiments of that ethos. Involved in the past two, and it was this rich engagement in the atmosphere of intellectual friendship, which is something that I really love about these symposia. People gathering together to have open dialogue, to meet one another, to become better connected with people they otherwise wouldn't, across these disciplinary boundaries. And I've always found the most inspiration in my work in the liminal spaces, these places between our traditional disciplines where we're typically comfortable thinking. And I feel like that's where the most passionate and curious and generative science occurs, has been to embrace this liminal space between fields. This particular symposia I've been co-chairing with my colleague Dan Marsh and a number of former Jack Eddy fellows as myself as part of the steering committee. And our goal with this was to bring together a larger, more grand idea of what heliophysics is. Exoplanetary research, astrophysics, habitability questions. So really heliophysics is a grand science, and we wanted to put that on display and explore that here during the Jack Eddy Symposium. We allowed open science to be kind of this undercurrent through these three grand challenge topics. One was risk and resiliency due to space weather. The second one was interconnections between the sun, climate, and society. And the third was exoplanetary and habitability questions, bridging heliophysics to the broader universe as we know it, and allowing open science to be the set of tools and methodologies that can bring those groups together. And so we designed this workshop in kind of a unique way, in unconference format. There was a lot of periods for rich engagement, unstructured interactions, and that places a lot of effort and a lot more responsibility on the people organizing. But I think it makes for a much richer environment for the people participating. And I've been very exhilarated and thrilled to have witnessed all these interactions that are occurring. And again, my big focus with this event was doing all this under the atmosphere of intellectual friendship. And I'm just thrilled, and I hope to see these things continued forward and amplified and transformed as we move forward into the fourth symposium. And so I feel like the Jack Eddy Symposium is this perfect foundation to build on, this perfect setup to launch into the year of open science, creating these new collaborations and new projects that we've worked on all week that can then flourish into open science projects across NASA's Year of Open Science. This is a very open activity, and we invite everyone to be involved in this, just as we've made this Jack Eddy Symposium a very open, welcoming, inviting atmosphere.